Hello everyone, my name is Darren Thies, and I'm the spokesperson for the United States Embassy in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. This year, the Embassy, along with the 8 American Spaces, has organized a photo contest. Every week, amateur photographers from all over Tajikistan post their best photos on Twitter, and then we vote on them, and at the end of each month, somebody wins a free camera. We've already had amazing results so far in the month of January, and I've put together this slideshow of what I think are the best photos. I invite you to watch the slideshow and tell me which one do you think is the best. I also invite you to follow our photo contest by following the hashtag #OzmuniAkshoTJ. You can also come visit Tajikistan and see the natural beauty for yourself. Come join us.
در بلندی اسب تلال داشتیم هر کسی میرفت از دوستان تا ده بلند خانه ارباب بدروی بلند ترمه ها میکند از نوعی گلدار روی زای حیفی گلهای مزاری دلند
Give him his orders at Monroe, Virginia, saying, Pete, you're way behind time. This is not 38, but it's old 97. You must put her in center on time. He looked round, says to his black greasy fireman, just shove on in a little more coal. And when we cross that White Oak Mountain, you can watch old 97 roll.